Hello everyone, the weather was so nice today. It was raining since morning. I got ready for my classes and currently I'm having my radiology cycle going on. So after classes I went back home and it was raining a little bit. So I went home and made some pastas and a hot coffee because how could I not in this weather, right? It started snowing in the evening and I was craving for some Indian food. So I went to this Indian restaurant nearby and there I ordered samosa chaat, kadai paneer, roti and rice. And on my way back it was snowing so heavily, like look at this, it was so pretty. And yeah, that's it. Okay, bye, I'll see you next time.